You can download maps on the watch and track your current location during a workout, which is so cool. The rotating dial along with 60 Hz refresh rate makes navigating unbelievably smooth. Hi there! If you're genuinely serious about fitness tracking and accurate readings, you must check out the newly launched Amazfit Cheetah. Kyunki
चीता भी पीता है.
I know, I just couldn't resist saying that. But on a serious note, the Amazfit Cheetah is designed for a true fitness enthusiast. 150 plus workout modes. It comes with built-in GPS. Download and save offline maps on the watch so you can live track your exact location. Then comes with built-in Alexa. You can also save music on the watch. Then comes with an edge-to-edge AMOLED display. I mean, it has it all except one thing. Don't worry, we'll talk about everything in detail. But first, let's quickly start with an unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. Check out the image of the watch, looks gorgeous. Cheetah branding, ZepOS support. On the side it says braking limits, actually on both sides. Towards the back you can see some of its key features. Dual band GPS, advanced running partner, AI powered training support, streamlined support design, long battery life. It's got support for both Android as well as iOS, and some more manufacturing details and model number. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. And it's got this card on the top which says plan, position and run with precision that matches your pace. Hashtag braking limits. Right on the top is the watch itself. Wow. On one side we have a user manual. My god, that's a really thick booklet. And here is the charging cable. So basically it's the same charging port that we've been seeing on Amazfit watches. It's really nice, it's magnetic, it aligns and attaches automatically. And the best part is it gets a really solid grip on the watch. It won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. Now the first thing that grabs my attention is the lightweight. So sports enthusiasts are absolutely going to love it. Let's get rid of the screen protector. Wow. The grey color looks really nice. This is mostly light grey. The whole frame and the body is made of polycarbonate but still looks extremely well built. Also, I really like this fluorescent green and grey combination. Very cool. The frame on the top is dark grey and it's matte finish, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. On the side here you can spot there's a single button which also looks like a dial. Then there's a microphone here which is going to assist you for voice control. There's a button at the bottom here. The straps are made of silicone and I love the strap material. I like that it comes with multiple holes, so you're going to wear it for workouts or swimming. Also, I really like that the buckle comes with a dual buckle design, so the grip on the strap will be much better. Very good quality. Moving towards the back, but first let's get rid of this protector. There you go. Now this is the difference between a premium and a budget smartwatch. Even though the back is made of plastic, you can see that the quality is amazing. Right in the sensor you can spot the heart rate sensor, speedometer sensor and the charging terminals up down. Now these straps can be replaced with other third-party bands as well if you want to. Simply pull this hook mechanism to release. Super convenient. There you go. So overall the build quality and design is super eye-catchy. It looks sporty from the word go. The Amazfit Cheetah comes with 5 ATM rating. Something we rarely see in smartwatches nowadays, and budget smartwatches mein to bhool hi jao. Now technically it's water resistant up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. So wear it in the rain, wear it for a workout, and yes, obviously totally safe to be worn for a swim. In fact, it also comes with swim tracking on board. It's amazing. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. So the Amazfit Cheetah comes with a 1.43-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. Now that's a really high resolution display, which is why even the smallest text you can see is so clearly visible. Absolutely amazing. Now I know you want to know about the bezels, but the best part is Amazfit has worked on it and there are almost zero bezels. Looks really good. Now the interface is really smooth and Amazfit has really cracked it. It's like 60 Hz, and the best part is you can actually use this dial on the side, which makes it even more smooth. You also get a vibration feedback while you are rotating, and it's a very subtle vibration. It's not like that hard vibration, which is why you can actually notice how much you are scrolling. It's so precise. Now if you scroll on the home page here right down, you will see that Amazon Alexa is available, the weather, you can see your Zep coach, you can see your training, you can see your alarm set, and all your, it's like your status, all your current details, important information, and just see how smooth and responsive this is. Now if you swipe right, you can access the menu, and if we go all the way to the top here, you can see there's workout history, then there's Zep coach, there's workout status, there's heart rate, there's blood oxygen, there's stress tracking, there's one tap measuring, which we'll talk about in just a moment, then PAI, activity, there's sleep tracking, then there's membership card, weather, music player. If you go in here, you can actually even save music on this watch. There's weather, there's music player, then there's alarm, and the best part is you can set the alarm directly from the smartwatch, which is really convenient. Then there's calendars, there's setting, and there's more. Now if you go into the settings, here you can see watch face and timing. Then you can see Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, you can toggle Bluetooth on and off. You can even connect Bluetooth earphones while listening to music, which is really handy. Then further back, you can see the display settings, and in display settings you can adjust the brightness. The best part is that this watch comes with auto brightness as well. You can manually set the brightness or you can auto set it. I would recommend you turn on auto brightness. That will keep the battery life lot better. The peak brightness of the display is 1000 nits, and here you can see we briefly testing it outdoors and it's super clearly visible. So you can easily use it during the day under direct sunlight as well. Then you have always on mode, something I know a lot of people look forward to, and there are a couple of styles available where you can choose an analog watch face. Check these out. You can choose a digital watch face. All of these can be set. But keep in mind, turning on always on mode will reduce your battery life drastically. But the good thing is the option is there. Then there is an option to enable it, and there's an option to keep it to smart, where it will realize that the watch is kept on the table, it will turn off. You can even do a scheduled timing of the always on, which is really handy. Then further raise the wrist to wake the display. You can toggle it on and off. Sound and vibration. In workouts, there is an option for auto workout detection, and it will work out for basic workouts like walking, indoor walking, outdoor running, treadmill, outdoor cycling, pool swimming. So all of these workouts, when you start, it will recognize it on its own, which is really good. Then further workout accessories, preferences, battery management. There is even a workout map. The best part is you can download the map using the Zepp app on your watch. Then in system, about, regulatory, restart, shutdown, reset, and factory reset. Press this button to come back. Now when you come back to the home page, swipe from up, you can access the quick toggles. You have torch, you have do not disturb, you have bedside, you have the battery percentage, movie mode. You can obviously adjust the brightness. If you come here, you can see, go into the settings, you can go to Bluetooth settings, you can set alarms, you can lock the display, all that. And of course now the display is locked. Now to unlock it, press and hold for a couple of seconds, and there you go, it's unlocked. Further, if you swipe right, you can see your missed call alerts and notifications. You can delete them or read them directly from here. The watch comes with built-in Alexa, and to set it up, you have to use the Zepp app. Just add your Amazon account credentials, follow the setup process, and you're done in a couple of minutes. Once done, press and hold the crown button to trigger Alexa. Now you can ask it general trivia questions like the height of the Eiffel Tower, Tom Cruise's height, and even the weather. But sadly, you cannot start a workout with the voice command, which I really wish it did. But anyway, the best part for me is that I can control Alexa smart home devices directly from the watch itself. Check this out. Turn off the smart bulb. There you go. Turn on the smart bulb. There you go. It's so handy. Control all your Alexa devices from just about anywhere. Just make sure the watch is paired to the phone and the phone has an active internet connection. Coming to phone calling. Well, you receive call alerts like usual. You can see the caller's name with an option to reject the call or silent the incoming call. But sadly, you cannot use this watch to answer or make calls. Yes, there's no Bluetooth calling support. And frankly, I'm okay with it, as most smartwatches that come with that feature drastically shorten your battery life. It might sound like a con for some, but trust me, for most sports enthusiasts, it's actually a pro. Coming to the fit and comfort. It's one of the most comfortable smartwatches I've worn in a while. It's light, it's soft with super breathable straps, you barely notice you're wearing anything. Perfect for workouts and sleep tracking. Also, I must add, its overall look is very eye-catching. I'm sure you'll agree. Coming to health monitoring. So if you go into the menu and scroll a little towards the bottom, you'll find heart rate, you'll find blood oxygen levels, you'll find stress tracking. But Amazfit has this amazing feature called one-tap measurement. What it'll do is measure all these parameters at one go. Let's check it out. Make sure you're wearing the watch tightly and has a good grip on your wrist for more accurate reading. And there you go, we get our heart rate, we get the stress levels, we get the blood oxygen levels, and we even get our breathing rate. So all that with just a press of a single button. So convenient. Coming to fitness and workouts. So to quickly access workout modes, not only can you use this as a back button, you can also use this to quickly launch workouts. So starting on the top, outdoor running, treadmill, track running, trail running, walking, outdoor cycling, pool swimming, open water swimming, triathlon, multi-sports modes, strength training, climbing, hiking, rowing, snowboarding, and there is just so many workout modes. We use the watch for a quick outdoor workout. Firstly, it gets a quick fix on the GPS in just a couple of seconds. Then you can download offline maps on the watch and see the live location during your activity. It's super convenient. If you're going on a trek, you won't get lost. You'll have the exact path with you all the time. A very handy feature. Coming to the battery. So we don't have the exact size of the battery, but Amazfit claims it will last for about 14 days with typical use. And let me surprise you, it actually lasted me 10 to 11 days easily. Trust me, that's not an easy number to achieve with the current scenario. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge, which is a decent amount of time. And I can tell you that Cheetah is truly a cheetah. I mean, it's a solid smartwatch in the battery department. Let's have a quick look at the Zepp Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see all your health related and workout data, the steps taken, your sleep tracking, your heart rate, all those below here, your tools where you can use for your workouts. Then in the second option is for your sleep tracking. This is what it measured, how many hours of sleep, deep sleep, light sleep, all those details. Then if you come into workouts, it will give you more details about your workouts. If you come into profiles, right on the top, you can see your devices, you can add your devices, Zepp Coach. Now this is like a personalized AI coach where it will ask you a couple of questions and then set a workout plan for you accordingly. Like, what is your primary goal for exercising? Improving cardiorespiratory fitness or enhancing running performance? Cardiorespiratory fitness, and clicking next step. So it's going to ask me details like how many times do you work out, how much time do you work out, all those details, how many days do you work out, and you click done. Welcome aboard. So now your Zepp Coach is set. Then in add accounts, you can see you can share your data with Strava, with Relive, with Apple Health since this is paired with an iPhone. If this was an Android phone, you can share your data with Google Fit as well. Now if you come here, you can see your watch battery percentage. You can come into health monitoring. You can toggle on active heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress tracking auto blood oxygen saturation levels will be measured, notification and reminders. You can toggle on and off incoming calls. You can also choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. But sadly, not every app is supported. Luckily, WhatsApp Business is available, which is really handy. Then of course, you can choose more details of your notifications, then App Store to download more apps. Amazfit has some really interesting watch faces. Analog, digital, the collection is almost endless. Then there's a music app where you can save music on your phone as well. Then weather app, world clock, alarms, all those settings, find watch, discoverable, system updates, you can check out here. I have to say that the Zepp Fit app is one of the best user interface and the easiest to understand. It's super well optimized. Alright, final thoughts. Starting with the cons. Well, I know some might say phone calling would have just made this watch perfect. But I have a different take on this. The Cheetah is designed keeping fitness, accuracy and long battery life as a prime focus. Bluetooth calling, though handy, would have just impacted the whole purpose of this watch. The Cheetah checks all the boxes of an excellent fitness wearable. It comes with GPS, it comes with offline maps, 5 ATM water resistancy rating, a long battery life and a super cool design. By the way, the Cheetah is also available in square, the exact same specs and the same features. You can buy either of them for $21,999. I'll share the links of both below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.